of physics platform. In physics platform here today we calculate a question of currency, electricity, which found in form 2 topic and form 3 topic. This question is saying that a triangle ABC is formed with 3 identical resistors, each of 6 ohms, as shown below. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This circuit is composed of 3 resistors. Resistor 1 here, resistor 3 here, resistor 2 here, and the final resistor 3 here. There are 3 resistors which are identical ohms. This resistor, this diagram can be drawn from a solution. We say that this diagram, we can say that this one and this one and this one. This resistor is resistor 1 here. This one is 6 ohms. We say that this resistor 2 is here, but it is 6 ohms. And finally is resistor 3, but in 6 ohms, because these those are identical ohms. And the say that we start in to calculate the total resistance from resistor 1 and resistor 2. If we calculate in resistor 1 and resistor 2, these are the series combinations. If we are in the series combination here, resistor 1 and resistor 2 are series combination, but these resistance, these 2 resistance are parallel with this resistor 3. But in summary, we say series resistor formula, we say that resistor 1 and 2, it says that R1 plus R2 says that R is equal to 6 resistor plus 6 resistor. 6 ohms plus 6 ohms is called the resistor is 12 ohms. These ohms are the total of this one series. And the final diagram is changed. Diagram this one in the second case diagram is changed. It says that resistor 1 here and resistor 2 here and resistor 2 here. But this one are the resistor 3. This one are the resistor 1 and the resistor 2 is 12 ohms. Is 6 ohms from the resistor 3. And finally, we calculate the equivalent resistor. The equivalent resistor, equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance is equal to the total resistance of all circuits. Say that the formula which compose this one are the total resistance is equal to 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over resistor 2. This one are the resistor 1 and this one are the resistor 2. To assume that this one are the resistor 1 and this one are the resistor 2. This formula, if we will not know the fraction number, you can calculate these ones. You can calculate about the total. Say that 1 over 2 is equal to, you can use this formula or you can use this formula 1 over 2. Calculate the LCM of resistor 1 and resistor 2 is equal to resistor 1, resistor 2. Resistor 1 divided by resistor 1, 2 divided by resistor 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to resistor 2. Plus here, he say that is remaining resistor 1. He say that resistor total is equal to resistor 2 plus resistor 1 is equal to resistor 1, resistor 2. Cross multiplication here, we say that 1 multiplied by this one, and resistor total, like say that resistor total is equal to, say that R1, R2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Yes. Now this one you say that we say that 1, this one's, but here is the 1, and this one are multiplied by resistor total. Say that resistor total is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to resistor 2, resistor 1, resistor 2. Say that divided by R1 plus R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Resistor total is equal to R1 plus R1 multiplied by 2 by resistor 2, R1 plus R2. Say that R1 in this circuit is R total is equal to R1 is 12 ohms multiplied by 6 ohms divided by R1 is equal to 12 ohms plus 6 ohms. Say that RT is equal to 12, 6 is equal to 12 plus this one. Say that R total is equal to 72 divided by 18. Yes, it's 18. Then let's see the total resistance here is equal to 4 ohms. And the final, the circuits, we say that therefore the equivalent resistance is 4 ohms. And the final of this total resistance of this circuits, of all circuits of this one, is equal to 4 ohms. Thanks for watching this video.